Natural conditions of Vietnam. 1. Vietnam is a tropical monsoon country. Tropical characteristics: average annual temperature above 21 degrees Celsius, sunshine hours 1,400 to 3,000 hours year. Monsoon characteristics: northeast monsoon November, April, cold, dry. Southwest monsoon May-October, hot, humid, carrying moisture from the sea. Humid characteristics: average annual rainfall 1,500 to 2,000 millimeters. Air humidity above 802. Vietnam is a coastal country. Vietnam borders the vast East Sea, South China Sea to the east and south. The sea strongly influences nature, reinforcing tropical monsoon and humid characteristics. 3. Vietnam is a land of mountains and hills. 3/4 of the territory is mountainous. Mountain landscapes change rapidly according to altitude zones. Favorable conditions for subtropical crops, tourism, and resort development. 4. Diverse and complex natural differentiation. Mountain and hill terrain. 3/4 of territory. Low mountains, below 1,000 meters, 85%, 1,000 to 2,000 meters, 14%. Above 2,000 meters, only 1%. Highest peak, Phang Sipong 3,143 meters. Plains 1/4 of territory. Red River Delta, 15,000 square kilometers broad. Low, relatively flat. Mekong River Delta, 40,000 square kilometers broad. Low, relatively flat. Central Coastal Plains, 15,000 square kilometers. Small, narrow, fragmented mountain regions. Northwest highest terrain in the country, average 1,000 to 2,000 meters. Many peaks above 2,000 meters, strongly dissected. Northeast terrain lowers from northwest to southeast, mostly below 1,000 meters. Karst landscapes are common. Long Bay, Barbie Lake. Southern Trong Sen, mostly mountains and plateaus. Higher than northern Trong Sen, characterized by large basalt plateaus with red soil. Climate of Vietnam. Regional climates: north humid subtropical climate with 2 distinct seasons, winter cold and dry. Northeast monsoon, summer hot, humid, heavy rainfall. Southwest monsoon, central, strongly influenced by the Trong Sen range, with clear contrast between the east heavy rainfall and the west hot and dry. South, typical tropical monsoon climate with 2 main seasons, rainy season May-November, dry season December-April. River systems: Red River System, total length 1,126 kilometers, of which 556 kilometers in Vietnam Basin area, 143,700 square kilometers, 72,7 kilometer persegi. In Vietnam, main rivers: Red River, Lay River, Car River. Flood season June-October. Mekong CSU long system, total length 4,300 kilometers, of which 230 kilometers in Vietnam Basin area, 795,000 square kilometers, 71,000 square kilometers in Vietnam. Flood season July-December. Water regime more regulated than the Red River due to the Tonle Sap Lake effect. Soils in Vietnam: ferrolitic soils, 65% of natural land, found in low mountainous areas 100 to 800 meters, reddish-yellow color, thick weathering crust, acidic and nutrient poor, suitable for perennial industrial crops, medicinal plants, and fruit trees. Alluvial soils: about 24% of natural land, found mainly in the Red River Delta, Mekong Delta, and coastal plains of central Vietnam, fertile and nutrient-rich, suitable for food crops, short-term industrial crops and aqua. Humus soils in high mountains: 280,714 hectares, found at altitudes 2,000 to 3,143 meters, suitable for natural forests and subtropical crops. Flora and fauna: 275 mammal species, 828 bird species, 180 reptile species, 80 amphibian species, 472 freshwater fish species, about 2,000 marine fish species, tens of thousands of invertebrate species, endemic and rare species: Saurolosudaryx, skittenhead, Tonkin snub-nosed monkey, Rhinopithecus avunculus edwards's pheasant, Lephera hattonensis, Indochinese gaur, Boscorus redae, Indochinese leopard, Panthera pardus delacori. Significance and challenges of Vietnam's natural environment: hot, humid climate favorable for plant growth and diverse agriculture. Rich natural resources, minerals, forests, fisheries. High biodiversity provides potential for ecotourism and scientific research. Varied terrain creates conditions for tourism and resorts. Challenges in conservation: natural disasters, storms, floods, droughts significantly impact life. Biodiversity loss due to illegal hunting and deforestation. Nearly 1,000 animal species are at risk of extinction. Environmental pollution and climate change affect ecosystems. Vietnam's natural environment, with its humid, tropical monsoon climate, diverse terrain, and rich ecosystems, creates a unique natural setting that offers many advantages for socioeconomic development while also posing challenges that require sustainable management and conservation.